You searched how to buy shares of Simon Property Group, Inc. Simon Property Group, Inc. operates shopping malls and outlet centers. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker SPG, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SPG to locate the listing. Select the result that matches Simon Property Group, Inc. on NASDAQ. On the asset page, check the company information and the price chart to confirm it's the correct stock. Ensure the ticker shows SPG and the market is NASDAQ. To place a trade, click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to spend, review the order details, and confirm to submit the order. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next session, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the trade is processed. Find the link to eToro in the description if you want to explore the platform.